It's your boy Ghost in the 57 back with another video. And with this video, we finna go try to get the exhaust done. I got the money to get it done, but we finna go out there to see what they're gonna charge me to get it done. But I'm finna get y'all a cold start up. Matter of fact, first we're gonna go pick my homeboys up, then we're gonna go there. But I'm finna give y'all a nice cold start. Let the car run for a little bit so I can build oil pressure, get everything running through it. Now I'm gonna go grab the bros. Y'all, we just made it to the exhaust shop. They putting the car up on the lift right now. Shit, let's see what they can do for me. But I'm gonna pick y'all up once I'm done talking to them. Well, once I'm done talking to them. So I just talked to them. They said they didn't have the full bolt pattern, but the nigga, he pulled it out his ass. That's literally, he walked off and came back and he had it in his ass. But they finna try to fabricate it up. Get it done. What else? He said they're gonna have to cut more of the exhaust off because that shit look crazy, but they're gonna knock that shit out. That's it. Oh, this shit get done. And then get my transmission is still leaking. I don't know why. I call them to look at it. That looks weird. They got the this one. Huh? That's what you said. It's lit. It's weak. Yeah, I'm gonna have them weird. This shit right here. This shit ain't. Let's see what the fuck they can do for me. Now my shit gonna be coming out the back and not from the middle of the car.
That's what we're throwing these niggas off.
Oh,
that red light.
Look, they got some lights down there. They got
This shit look like they gonna put that.
I ain't gonna count. I might have to order me some gold mufflers.
Ooh, really doing the gold, something good gold. I still wanna go so long.
I got some shit coming. Just know I got some shit coming to this. So we're gonna wait for them boys to get done. I hope they don't charge me out the ass because I'm broke.
Hey, 3, throw a number. What you think they gonna charge him?
Not too goddamn much. Alright.
Like it. Well, we'll get back to y'all after he get through talking to these people, man.
So, I'm not telling just bring y'all ass out here. Good ass bitch. Fuck G exhaust, cause these niggas way cheaper.
Y'all want y'all exhaust done? I think look trying to take that
Some holla 954. Then yeah, take that shit off. Right. What the game is that? Alright.
You ain't lying, dude. Wow.
What you got, a 15? You got a 15? What? What's up? So y'all, they got the O2 sensor in. Right now they welding the four screw flange on. So basically they're gonna have everything done today. I could get my shit sold by this weekend. That shit gonna sound mean as fuck. So that's what we gonna do. And yeah, once we done, we'll pick y'all back up. Give y'all a nice little, cold start. Well, warm start. So y'all, right now he's putting food on, trying to make sure it's sitting good. So what you think?
I'm just ready to hit that bitch.
Boy, your nipple all hanging out, you good again? But they had almost been, man. Yeah, like almost to So y'all, I just got off the phone with the mechanic. I told him what they were doing, and I told him about the leak from the transmission, and we trying to set up a date so we could have the tuner come back out so he could check everything. Well, finish tuning it and everything like that. He said he might come by the house today so he could check out the leak. But yeah, that's supposed to be it. I'm gonna pick y'all back up once they done. And I got to tell this fuck nigga don't rev my shit to the sky. That shit can fuck up. So that's what I'm about to do. So right now they weld. Ooh shit. They welded the last bit of the exhaust, and then I guess that's it. Brody had his signature over there. Birdie put a little smiley face on there. So y'all, this is what the underside look like.
I said
The well's good. Everything. We finna get this leak checked out today. But everything good. So right now he's spray painting it. I had asked him not to rev it. He said he's not gonna rev it and shit like that. But yeah, get up out of here. This shit finna sound menacing, man. Got my baby back. I forgot to add some clips of the day when I had got the exhaust done. So I'm gonna give y'all a warm start of the car so y'all can hear the exhaust. This is what it sounds like since I got the exhaust done. That's what it sounds like. Like, it's not like when I did have it with the header just dumped. Like, you could only hear it from the middle. Like, you'll hear it from the back, but you'll majority hear it from the middle. So now it's sounding way better. It's not all raspy and shit. So it sounds 10 times better than me. The only thing that I don't like is the fucking gas smell. I gotta get it fine-tuned. Wednesday, I was gonna have him come out today, but unfortunately, he's out of town, so we got to wait for him to come back in town. He come back Tuesday. So I asked him, can he do it Wednesday for me? He said he gonna see. So Wednesday, we should be getting it fine-tuned. And then we finna, you know, cut up in traffic. Like I really want to. Like, I already been cutting up a little bit, but I can't dog it how I want to, so it's not fine-tuned. Once it's fine-tuned, when I say I'm finna be dogging that shit, cause one of my dogs, he called me, like, bro, I ain't hopping in the wheel till you drive how you usually drive. I'm like, man, just vibe. So once we fine tune it, I'm finna get some POVs of me driving. I don't know if I want to do it in Miami, like downtown Miami, or through Broward, cause you know Broward police be on dick, and Miami police be on dick too. So I'm gonna find somewhere where I could do nighttime POV. I ain't doing no daytime cause it be too much traffic. So I'm gonna do a nighttime POV for y'all, and y'all got to tell me what y'all think about the car once I'm done.